In case of a flat tire, your vehicle is equipped with a tire service repair kit. It's located under the driver's seat. This kit will provide a temporary tire seal, allowing you to drive your vehicle up to 100 miles or 160 kilometers with a maximum speed of 55 miles per hour or 88 kilometers per hour. Remember though, the tire service repair kit is not a permanent flat tire repair. Have the tire inspected and repaired or replaced after using the tire service repair kit. Please refer to the instruction manuals on the Owner's Information DVD for complete details and other important safety information.